Higher love is the key to infinite knowledge, wisdom, and authentic power. With the help of the Ascended Masters and my higher self, I have completed level 2 of the Book of Love workshop. This workshop brings in the higher teachings of divine love. In this workshop, you will learn to use energy as a tool for a balanced life. You will also learn how to connect to your spirit animal, as well as to have access and understand the power of the divine flame of the heart. And most importantly, you will begin to understand concepts of unity to connect to yourself, others, and the universe. I hope you can join us on the journey of the Sacred Heart. Namaste.